Craving some cheesy comfort food? Then you must try this chicken lasagna. Perfect as a wholesome winter meal in 4 easy steps. Let's get you drooling by starting with this mouth-watering recipe. Step 1 is boiling the lasagna sheets. Start by adding water halfway in a flat-based pot and then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of rough salt, and once the water starts bubbling, add in the lasagna sheets one at a time. Click on the link for the video on boiling lasagna sheets. Step 2, let's make the white sauce, and for this we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pot, then add 2.5 cups of full cream milk, 2 tablespoons of cake flour, half a teaspoon of rough salt, and half to 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix and beat until it thickens, then leave aside. Step 3, let's make our chicken filling. To a saucepan, add in 1 chopped onion and about a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil with 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Braise this until the onions have browned. Then add in half a kg of chicken mince. Cook until it changes to a pale color. Then add in 2 chopped tomatoes, half a cup of tomato sauce. Add in 1 teaspoon of rough salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and mix all together and cook until no water remains in the pot. Once the oil starts showing on the surface, add in 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, half a cup of tomato puree, and cook until completely dry. Step 4, let's start layering the lasagna. Using a 20 cm by 25 cm casserole dish, drizzle a little olive oil, spreading throughout evenly. Start by adding the lasagna sheets. About 2 sheets will be fine. Then place the chicken filling over this, covering completely. Spread the white sauce over this mince, making sure the mince is completely covered. Then sprinkle some cheese over this, and you can use a mix of mozzarella and Gouda cheese. Repeat the process of layering, finishing off with lasagna sheets and cheese toppings. Sprinkle some dried parsley over this. Then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. This smells so good and looks amazing. It's so addictive, so delicious, and so easy to make. Trying out this lasagna recipe will have your family asking for more all the time. Every bite so full of flavor. Connect with me on my socials, and if you do try the recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, happy cooking!